Declining defense budget share, a strategic challenge for India. New Delhi. A recent PRS legislative research report has revealed that the percentage of defense expenditure in the union budget has steadily declined over the past decade. Although the Ministry of Defense, MOD, continues to receive the largest allocation, the reduction in the proportion of national resources directed towards defense raises critical concerns about long-term security preparedness and financial priorities. Declining budget share. A decade-long trend for FY 2025 to 26, the government has allocated 6,81,210 crore rupees to the defense sector. However, while defense spending accounted for 17% of the total budget in 2014-15, it has now dropped to 13% in 2025-26. Although defense expenditure has grown at a 9% annual rate, total government spending has increased by 10% annually, leading to a relative decline in defense's budget share. This trend indicates a shift in financial priorities, potentially affecting India's ability to maintain a strong and modernized military force. Breakdown of defense expenditure. The defense budget covers operational costs of the three armed forces: research and development, R&D, border infrastructure, salaries, pensions, and capital investments for modernization. However, the funds allocated between fiscal year 2015-16 and fiscal year 2024-25 were 20% lower than the estimated needs. This shortfall has been more prominent in the capital budget, which is essential for acquiring modern defense equipment and technology. The gap between projected and actual defense funding could slow down key military projects and affect strategic capabilities. Shifting priorities. Decline in capital expenditure. In 2013-14, 32% of the defense budget was allocated for capital expenditure. But since 2014-15, it has remained below 30%, with FY 2025-26 projections at 28%. Meanwhile, revenue expenditure, particularly pension costs, has surged. Between 2013-14 and 2025-26, defense pension expenditure has grown at an 11% annual rate, exceeding overall defense budget growth, 9%. The report estimates that 24% of the 2025-26 defense budget will be spent solely on pensions. While ensuring financial support for veterans is important, it is critical to maintain a balance between past obligations and future defense preparedness. Implications for military readiness. While welfare of personnel is crucial, a decline in capital investment may hinder India's long-term military preparedness. Given rising geopolitical tensions, an underfunded modernization drive could impact national security. Additionally, India's push for indigenous defense production under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative may face obstacles due to reduced capital expenditure. A lack of sufficient funding for new technology, infrastructure, and weapon systems could affect India's ability to keep pace with emerging security challenges. Conclusion: need for a strategic reassessment. Although defense spending is increasing in absolute terms, its shrinking share in the total budget and GDP signals shifting fiscal priorities. The government must balance financial prudence with military readiness. Without adequate investment in modernization, India risks falling behind in strategic defense capabilities. Whether this trend continues or is corrected in future budgets remains uncertain. But this report highlights critical concerns about India's long-term defense sustainability and preparedness.